I am Sabu, the director of the Met Office. I have some information I want to share with you about the remainder of this hurricane season, 2024. Boy, it's been hot, hasn't it? Just like we indicated from the beginning of this year, it's going to be a hot year, just like last year. We might actually come really, really close to the record we set last year, or maybe even break it, but it's going to be really warm. Now, it's already warm. Our model is suggesting that coming into August and September, it's still going to be fairly hot, especially in urban areas like Bridgetown, Holetown, etc. It's going to be really, really hot. Coming into October, it's going to start cooling down slightly. October, so November and December is going to be a lot better this December. Still a little warm in the urban areas, but it's going to be a lot better in December. We can't wait for that Christmas season. Now the hurricane season is about to get into the peak. That's in September, climatologically speaking. And so the last 2 weeks of August and September is when really things start to pick up in the Atlantic. So we need you to really, really be watchful and keep up to date. Make sure that you're watching, following us to find out what's going on in the Atlantic. Rain is going to continue. In and out showers, some of them heavy. We've had some flooding events already for this year. I need you to continue to monitor the situation for any upcoming significant rain events. That's going to, outside of hurricanes, that still happens every year. So let's keep watching that. So what does it look? What's the outlook for the rest of the year for rainfall? So we're going to still see a lot of significant rain events in and out in the middle part of the hurricane season, August and September. But it looks like, we've been seeing this after model run after model run. It looks like November, you can see here, November and December, looks like there can be a lot more rainfall events, and it could be a lot more flooding coming the later part of the season, November, December. Remember La Nina we're moving into, which means a lot more rainfall. And our guidance is picking up on that. So apart from the in and out heavy showers getting out, it looks like November, December might be a really wet spot. Now, lightning. We've had last year, this year, I mean, there's many years we have significant lightning activity. And I just want to share some important terms with you so you can become more and more familiar with these terms. So you'll see sometimes we issue a yellow alert for severe thunderstorm activity. What that means? It means that you should be aware there's a very slim chance that there could be severe thunderstorm activity. It doesn't mean that it'll be lightning or not. The key word is severe. And so we see a yellow alert issued by the Met Office. We just want you to be aware of that very slim chance that conditions could deteriorate and get pretty bad. And so you can make plans for your day based upon that forecast. Now, when it goes to a watch, severe thunderstorm watch, what that means, that there's possibility of severe thunderstorm activity within the next 6 hours. Severe thunderstorm watches don't go beyond 6 hours. It's kind of unrealistic. Days, etc. You'll see a yellow alert for days in advance, 4 days, 5 days, whatever. That can help you guide your decisions and what you need to do in days to come. But watches are issued 6 hours or so before a significant thunderstorm event. That's thunderstorms. That doesn't apply to flash flooding or tropical storm warnings. That's thunderstorms. A warning, severe thunderstorm warning, which means it's imminent or it's already occurring. In other words, it's next door. Right, Francois?
Yeah.
But luckily, we didn't have any of those recently. Let's hope we don't have any for the remainder of the year. Severe thunderstorms are really, really, really bad. Now, so having said this, what should you really do to be more engaged with us or get more information so that you can make the best decisions possible? I mean, many of you already go to our website, barbadosweather.org. There's now our new channel. WhatsApp channel you can subscribe to. There's our Instagram page, there's X, and there's still our YouTube channel that you can also subscribe and watch. So, ladies and gentlemen, please feel free to use any of these, and always remember to follow your emergency managers, health officials, etc. for information on what you can do for the remainder of this season. And let's hope that we don't see any more storms affecting Barbados or anyone in the Caribbean or anywhere in the Atlantic for that matter. And we have a very enjoyable and hopefully not so hot 2024.